Hi, and welcome to this guided meditation. Thank you for showing up to bring more calmness to your life. This is a beautiful opportunity for you to take some time for yourself and to relax the mind. Close your eyes. Let's start by observing your mood today. How are you feeling at this moment? Are you bothered by any thoughts or emotions? Does your body feel tense? Take a moment to observe your mood and how your body is feeling. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Take a few full breaths. Slowly release the air and empty the belly. Take another deep breath. Feel the fresh air coming in and release the warm air coming out. Slow everything down. Continue to breathe normal, in and out through your nostrils. Allow yourself to come to a place of stillness and freeing your mind from everything that does not give value to your life. You are creating a peaceful day for yourself, a more joyful you. Transfer this new energy through your whole mind and body. This is your time to just be. Continue to breathe softly. Know that it's okay to have thoughts during this meditation. Thoughts will come and go. That's what they do. Try to become an observer of your thoughts and let them pass by without any judgments. Breathe away thoughts that are bothering you. Imagine watching them as an outsider without any engagement. Let them go. You are becoming more peaceful with each breath. Feel the air flowing through your whole body, expanding your lungs and softening in your entire system. Let everything go. You are here in this moment and you are free. Remember, everything in our minds are illusions. They are not real. We are the creation of our own mind. Become an observer. Let them go. Enjoy this journey. When you're ready, open your eyes gently and move your body softly. Thank you for joining us today. Have a wonderful day.